Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Today we're going to use our new microscope we showed you and look at some rolls of $half, see if we can find any errors, okay? Well, here's our new microscope we showed you all about, unboxing and all. We've got a couple rolls of $half here. My wife collects these $half, just throws them in a box, and she's got 8 or 10 rolls of them in there. We're going to go through some of these and see if we can find some errors, missing designers' initials, double dies, whatever, okay? You remember 64 was the only silver year. 65 through 70 was like 40% silver, and then they went to the all clad. So we'll get this set up and show you some of our $half. See what we got. 71D. D is Denver. Any doubling in there anywhere? No, I don't see any. Let's look at the reverse. Designer initials are there. The F's a little weak, but it's there. Any doubling anywhere? Sure would be nice to find a double die. 71D. No, I don't see any doubling on there. The motto, nope. Designer initials are there. No, I don't see anything there. 72D. A little light, but it's there. Don't see any doubling. 79D. There's good initials on that one. Wow. Any doubling, die breaks or anything? Nope. 74 plain. That's Philadelphia. I don't see any doubling there. Good initials. $89D. D's kind of light, but it's there. No doubles. Good initials. Don't see anything there. $94P. Wow. No. Good initials. $81D. Nope. Good initials. Nope. 73D for Denver. Good initials. No, I don't see anything there. 74D. Good initials. Nope. If I miss anything, y'all leave me a comment and let me know. Be glad to hear it. And another 94P. Philadelphia. Good initials. Ooh, something sticky or glue or something on the back of that one. Dandy D. Good initials. $96P. When did they start putting the P on there? Do y'all remember that? Leave me a comment. Good initials. Are y'all finding any of those initials missing? Leave me a comment. Let me know if you're finding any. I haven't found any yet. It's a couple of them that were kind of weak. No double. Good initials. $80.90. If y'all know of anything else I need to be looking for, leave me a comment. Let me know, okay? If you want to leave a comment, just say hello, how you doing? Jump in the lake, whatever. That's fine. Good initials. $82D. Good initials. No double. $86D. Good initials. Well, that looks like a C instead of a G, doesn't it? $72D. Good initials. Kind of weak down there. Maybe just worn though. $95D. Good initials. Nope. Centennial. $76D. This won't have the eagle on the back, so let's see if I find any doubling there. There's your designer initials. Nope. $71D. No doubling there. There. Good initials. $88D. Good initials. Nothing. 71P, or it's plain, no P. Good initials. $77D. Ooh, look at there. That F is almost gone on that one. Whew. It's pretty weak, but I guess you could say it's there. $74D. Good initials. I want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these. Go check out the playlist. Leave us a comment. Tell us what you think. Also, check out the description below. I have links to Amazon where you can find a lot of these. Okay? Thanks for watching and see you next time.